Hi everyone, I am Mrs. V. Vijayalakshmi of Trinity International School CBSE. Today I am going to talk about the topic of emotional intelligence and emotional maturity. Emotional intelligence and emotional maturity is an important for everyone's successful lives. What is an emotional intelligence and emotional maturity? Emotional intelligence means ability to understand or identify our own emotions. Emotional intelligence means ability to understand or identify our own emotions. Emotional maturity means to control and manage our emotions in a proper way. Emotional maturity means to control and manage our emotions in a proper way. Nowadays, youngsters burst our emotions then and there through expressions and actions. This will not lead you to your better life. So, how can we be an emotionally intelligent person? Yes, we can. There are 5 skills that make you an emotionally intelligent and emotionally maturity person. The first skill is self-awareness. Self-awareness is identify and address your own emotions. Identify and address your own emotions. For example, if you are feeling angry, you feel that, but you are not sure whether it's anger or it's depression or anxiety. That means you do not have the skill to know what you are feeling. As a student, when you get anger, if anyone stops you from doing anything you like most, obviously what? You will get anger. If you are getting scolded from your teacher or misunderstanding with your friend, how do you feel? You feel sad. Yes. Likewise, any work or project you couldn't complete or submit in time, certainly you feel anxiety. And unexpectedly, if something good happens, you feel more happy, isn't it? So, this is to understand and label your emotions in a particular situation in day to day life. The second skill is self regulation. Self regulation is how to respond to your emotions. That is, the ability to control and make use of those emotions. Once you label your emotions, you address them. Now you have to control your emotions and apply in your day-to-day life. How will you do that? By solving your own problems, by taking judicious decisions, right? For example, if you punished by your teacher for incompleting work, after that you come to your place and your friend making fun of you without knowing that incident. What will you do that at the time? If you are not intelligent, obviously you turn your emotion to your friend. It will create misunderstanding between you and your friend. If you are emotionally intelligent, you can control your emotion and explain to him that situation and make the particular situation smoother, isn't it? Okay, now we go to the third skill, motivation. Self motivation is the key factor. Yes, self motivation is the key factor. When your teacher scolds you, obviously you will be breakdown. But you would start working with self motivated, then you will complete the work easy. Now, there's a question arises how to continue this motivation throughout. To continue this, we have to accompany with other skill, that is the fourth skill, empathy. Empathy is understanding the emotions of other person. That is understanding others' emotion by imagining yourself in their place at the particular situation. Once again, you are understanding the other emotions by imagining yourself in their place at the particular situation. Did you ever think about others' emotions? No. Emotional intelligence doesn't just limit yourself to understand your own emotions, but also extends to understand other person's emotions as well. If you understand others' emotions in their place, you can realize their emotions right or not. At last, the fifth skill, social skill. Social skill is nothing but if you can understanding others' emotions, then you can control their emotions also. Yes, you can control their emotions also. So, practice these skills in your day-to-day life. You will be an emotional intelligent and maturity in your personal and professional life. Now, how does emotional intelligence actually affect our day-to-day life? Yes, we'll see that emotional intelligence can lead us on the path to fulfilled and happy life. Intelligent emotion can lead us on the path to fulfilled and happy life. That means once we are able to understand our own emotions, we will be happier, joyful, satisfied, and content in our lives. For example, if you are frustrated, you understand that you are frustrated, and that's how you will be able to decide how to come out of that frustration. And if you are happy, you know that you are happy, you are joyful, and that's how you know that these are the things I need to do to continue being happy, isn't it? Next, emotional intelligence can make your career. Emotional intelligence can make your career. Yes, if you are emotionally intelligent at work, you will be smarter. How? You will be able to balance your own emotions and control them. You would know that I do not have to vent out my anger on my friend or my elder at any situation. However, you need to think about it first if any anger is right or not, and then decide what you have to do. And that's how you will be successful at work. Next, the last one, emotional intelligence actually save your life. Emotional intelligence actually save your life. I'm sure it must be very surprising for you to know this fact. But yes, it's true. Sometimes when you are feeling negative emotions like anxiety, sadness, you are being upset or anything, what we people usually do is they suppress their emotions. Suppressing your emotions is the worst thing you can ever do because you know you are depressing yourself even more. You are getting into the dark shell where you don't know how to get out of it. If you are emotionally intelligent, you know how to control your negative emotions and come out of it. You have to be in control of your emotions. You have to be in control of your emotions. But your emotion should not control you. But Your emotion should not control you. So, follow this and practice. Be an emotionally intelligent and emotionally maturity person. Enjoy your life with healthier, more positive and successful. Thank you.